Welcome to my channel. I'm Shanelle, and in today's video I'll be flat ironing my hair for a trim and length check, which turned into a whole fail. But anyway, let's get into it. It has been 2 years since I used a flat iron or a blow dryer on my hair. The last straw for me was putting too much product on a section of my hair and watching the flat iron heat damage it. And now that small section of hair has just broken off. At the time, I had hit a plateau of collarbone length and clearly didn't know what the hell I was doing with a flat iron. However, the reason I decided to do this now is because I saw a video by Power in Your Curl, and she had this whole setback in the middle of her hair, which sent me into a panic mode. I've been dusting my hair for the past 2 years, and I thought it was important to see the progress that I've made and if there were any issues before I continued to go forward. So I started on freshly washed hair, and in the past I piled on too much products before flat ironing, so I only used 2 products, which is the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield, which protects up to 425 degrees, and BioSilk Silk Therapy before I even blow dry. So I'm usually really heavy-handed with products, and I tried my very best to only use a dime-sized amount on each section, and then I finger detangled through bringing the product throughout the hair shaft from root to tip, and then I used the tension method. Then I used the tension method to blow dry the whole section, then separated it into smaller sections and using the Tangle Teaser brush. So one of the problems may have been the heat setting that I used for my blow dryer, which is really amazing. I used the 2400 Tourmaline Ceramic Professional Blow Dryer. I really do love it, but I was concerned about using too much heat, so I did the warm setting but on the highest speed. But baby, I was having so much trouble with the angles and how to just angle everything to get a good blow dry down. I was struggling, y'all. Y'all can see I was struggling. You see the struggle. So at this point I have all of my hair blow dried. It's really cool to see the length, but I'm looking at the ends and it's like clear that they need a serious trim, which is fine. But I have this thing with my hair, it feels like no matter how much you trim, the ends are eventually going to look really frizzy. So I'm looking forward to finding a great professional in the LA area who doesn't cost an arm and a leg. to do this for me the next time. I really think it's important to see a professional to make sure I'm getting the right trim and that my hair's being taken care of correctly. But I've seen so many horror stories and I've been terrified, and especially during COVID, I'm like, might as well not put myself through that stress, just handle it for now, and in the next 6 months find somebody. So if you guys know of anybody in the LA area, more on the valley side, that can take great care of natural hair, please let me know in the comments. The flat iron I'm using is the Solano Sleek Heat 450 professional flat iron with ceramic plates. Now you can see, like, it's giving my hair this beautiful shine. It feels so soft and beautiful, but it's still very thick. So I don't know if it's the heat that I'm using, because I kept it. It doesn't show all the numbers going up. It goes from like 360 to 450. So I try to keep it in the middle of that space, just to keep it below 425, which was the shield of the hair protectant. Now I wrapped my hair overnight because it was still really thick and I wanted to see if I could reduce some of that volume. And when I unwrap it, you see it just seems so stiff, y'all. It's stiff, and I'm just, I don't know why. It just feels so hard to get not hard to get through, but staticky. And so, you know, it's like, okay, let me trim these ends, just even them out a little bit. But it's still just, it's not giving me the movement. It's giving me the body and the softness, but not the movement that I would like. So I do not know, y'all. I do not know what I did. Please help me down below, because eventually I'd love to, like, not have to go to anybody, but, or, you know, be able to take care of it in the meantime, in between time. But yeah, if you guys have any opinions or ideas of what I was missing or what I could do in the future, please let me know. But I still love my hair. Like, I was so proud of the growth that I had, you know, maintained, and just the thickness, like, compared to what it looked like before. I should do, if you'd like to see what my hair used to look like and my hair journey, let me know in the comments below and I'll do a video on it. But yeah, it's just a world of a difference. I've always had thick hair, but I haven't seen it thick like this in a long time. So my trimming was really not organized at all. I trimmed some sections as I was flat ironing it, and then I went back over the whole thing at the end. That was the easiest way for me to figure out getting through the whole of my hair instead of trying to do it all at one time, so I can get to the short lengths. Excuse my face. But yeah, even that, I guess trimming my hair like this was a little bit difficult because I wasn't used to the length, so I was trying to figure out a way to actually look at it. And I love these shears, by the way. They are really affordable, and I got them on Amazon. They had amazing reviews, so I will link it in the bio so you can check them out if you'd like to purchase them. To mention was the humidity. It was extremely humid, and my hair just, even when I was a kid, it was like my hair would revert immediately. So you guys, my hair is currently, the longest part is at bra strap length, and so most of my hair is between bra strap and armpit length. And I'm really excited to see how it grows over the next 6 months to a year. So just keep checking in with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see. So clearly this is not the best flat ironing ever, but I am still very happy because this is the most growth I've ever gotten. This is the most length I've ever retained. So I'm really excited about how my journey is going. I am so glad I stopped using heat on my hair because I really see the difference in thickness compared to when I used to use heat monthly or even more regularly than that. In this process, I was really stressed out. I really took my time. It took me hours. I was up all night. I was up until 6 a.m. doing this, but I really wanted to take my time and just really see it through. But I'll show you the amount of hair that came out through blow drying and flat ironing. You see this? I don't like this. I do not like this. This is a lot of hair. And this doesn't even include the hair that I trimmed. Yeah, so the next time I will be flat ironing my hair at a salon will be in the next 6 months to a year. I'm definitely gonna keep doing what I've been doing, and I'm gonna be sharing more about my routine. But yeah, I'm very happy at what's happening right now. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and take care of yourself, guys. Bye.